Happy New Year! A year has passed and a new one has started, and it's time to reflect on our past resolutions and create new resolutions. Last year, I wanted to become more feminine. I wanted to post at least once a week, and more importantly, I wanted to face my anxiety by going out more. I accomplished all three to the best of my ability, and I'm proud because last year I could never imagine myself wearing a dress, doing a skincare routine, making editing videos a part of my daily routine. I started accepting invites to go places, which in turn resulted in me going out more times this year than I have any other year since I graduated high school. 2023 was fun, eye-opening, different, and wonderful. It made my comfort zone a little less comfortable, knowing that all day, every day, I could be doing this, enjoying life, growing, and learning. I'm pretty sure that the small things I call accomplishments are what someone else calls daily living, and that's okay. We're all running a different race and following our own timelines, but I'm glad that I've lived through 2023 and I'm now seeing 2024, a new year. And all of that sounds easy to do, but I've had days where I couldn't go out because my anxiety was so high. I've had days where I felt insecure wearing a dress, days where I forgot to do skincare, days where I didn't want to talk to anyone, days where I would just feel so overwhelmed I could do nothing but sit around my computer and try not to cry. And those days dragged on and kept repeating itself over and over and over and over again. The good days mixed in with the bad have made 2023 a great year, and I don't know about you, but the strength to go on came from God. I had to walk by faith and not by sight. I had to remember that my worries were only a speck of sand compared to His mercy and His blessings. With that being said, we're now in 2024, and one mistake we all make every year is setting resolutions we didn't prepare for. We can't just get up January 1st and say we're now going to the gym every day. Start off by trying to show up one time per week and gradually go up in days. Do that with everything you want to accomplish and it won't seem as hard. So what are my resolutions for this year? I want to read my Bible every morning and pray every night. I want to pass all my math-related courses, which is kind of all of them. I want to get 200 subscribers on YouTube. We're at 91, close enough to 100, so that's progress. I want to keep going out more, sometimes by myself, and of course with my family. I want to keep in touch with the more feminine side of me. That's just what I can come off with on the top of my head. But this video will be holding me accountable till next year. Now tell me, what are your resolutions? I'll hold you accountable if you post them in the comments. With that being said, Happy New Year's from me to you. And if you didn't get a kiss at midnight, I'm blowing virtual kisses and lots of love to you.